White House emails reportedly were sent to a third account associated with Jared Kushner and Ivanka Trump's private domain. Both had access to the previously unreported email account. Family representatives said Ivanka Trump had been careful about keeping her personal life separate from work.
The Washington Post reports Amazon plans to cut prices at Whole Foods. A research firm checked to see how that's going. It tracked prices on 110 items at Whole Foods in New Jersey. Since Amazon bought the chain 5 weeks ago, overall prices fell 1%.